All right, Uncle Matt, he said, you better not wussy out. That's what Uncle Billy said. What are you gonna tell him?
We ready.
Ready.
You're gonna tap this to start recording?
Yeah. Let's do it. So he said the record was up here this way.
Yeah,
right?
you just tap it when you're ready to start.
Yeah, okay,
right.
Sweet. Thank
Perfect.
you.
Let me get it.
What's up?
I would just hit every
Yeah, I was gonna say, hit it right now. What's up, Tony? Should be recorded.
Yeah. Just make it one long video.
Yeah, one long video.
Is it alright to make it one long video? Will it hold it?
It won't last that long.
Okay.
Oh, turn it off.
You feel that platform moving?
A little wobbly, huh? Just a little bit.
Hey, if it drops, we're all hanging.
Too bad.
Yeah.
That makes you nervous jumping out of a damn tree.
I know.
My heart's just got a little race and a little bit of this.
Once James makes his way around, you
But we still are depending on a tree.
Right.
My fella's on this side.
This platform is wobbly. All right, Tony's going first. All right, I'm up next. Let's do it.
That's all right, come on over here.
Let's get it.
There you go. Come on up, man.
All the way up to the top.
Perfect.
All right.
If you want to, ask TJ to turn that off for you once you get over there.
Okay. I'm gonna jump, right? Or whenever you're ready.
And step all the way down.
All right.
That makes some noise. You got the camera on.
I know, right? I'm not a good actor.
Hop down for me, bud. Clear, clear, clear. Go straight behind.
All right.
Don't go too far because you won't make it very far. And then you'll join him over there for me, bud.
Okay, over here.
Yes, sir.
Cool deal. Whew. Here comes Uncle Matt. Yeah, man.
Head on that side for me.
Stops by itself.
Woo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yep.
Watch your head.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
Come on through.
You want to go first on the next one. I got you.
See your gloves, boss?
Yep.
Right over there for me.
All right.
See those buttons, bud?
Tony, tell your deepest, darkest secret.
Come on up.
Yeah, could you? Stay.
Come on up.
Perfect.
All right.
There you go. Good to go, friend.
All right, let's do it.
Nice, boss. Follow for me. Very good.
I was coming in hot on that one.
Hey, I'd rather you come in hot than not, but it works out perfectly fine. Go ahead and step down for me. Clear, clear, clear. You'll join him over here for me, boss. I'm gonna squeeze past you right quick.
This tree is wobbling. How you feeling?
Great.
Great. How you feeling? That's the next one.
Get a clear shot at it.
Yeah.
There goes your horseback riding, man.
We got horses.
All right, right up to that top step here, man.
All right.
Yeah.
It's a good one here.
Oh yeah.
One boy faced the opposite.
Yeah, he went to the right.
Yeah.
Clear, clear, clear.
Go for it.
All right, let's ride.
Gonna get judged.
Breathe, look right.
Woo. Let's go.
You all right, boss? All right.
Way too hot. More pressure next time. I got
All good, all good.
I was just trying not to grab it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Big steps down, boss.
Yeah.
Clear, clear, clear. All right.
Yeah.
Right behind them.
There you go, boss. You can join him downstairs.
Thanks. Couple people at the same time? Oh. Man, that was sweet.
You're not bad enough, man. Here we go.
Alright. Yeah, thank you.
Come on, bro. We're up to the top step.
Oh, that's right.
Good.
All the top.
3, 2, 1, pull. Ooh. Yeah.
Put this on. Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
Is there any fish in there at all?
Oh, there's plenty of fish in there. Largemouth bass,
Clear.
About to find out.
That ain't Gator?
Good to go. Oh, yeah,
Alright.
we got gators out there.
Let's ride.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Hop on up for me.
Oh gosh,
Very good.
that was sweet.
Guys, step down for me, bud. Clear. You'll join those ladies over there for me, boss.
Whoa. This one's got some slack.
Oh my god, definitely.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought that was a connection.
Oh yeah.
That's the real thing, really.
No return. All right.
Hop on for me. Awesome.
Tony.
Step down.
Oh my god, that was
Man.
like four steps back up. I know, that's tired. Your
Oh man. Cannonball! Cannonball!
Grab that cable, boss. Turn around. Pull yourself back.
You gotta start Jesus playing.
Well, I don't know.
There we go.
Maybe it's his feet position. Yeah.
I'm looking all around.
Down for me, bud. Clear. Step on back for me. I think we have a few people that want to take advantage of the photo ops up here.
Yeah. Dude, this is about to be crazy.
This is the last one, right? No. Oh, okay.
Act like you like each other.
That was crazy.
You made it. Look at
Hop up, head on that side for me, bud.
That was awesome.
Smile back at the camera one more time. Awesome. Step down for me, bud. Clear. We'll bring you back here, bud.
I forgot to GoPro that one.
Yeah.
non-disclosure. Shadow. Wait, really?
I liked it.
I might have stopped too early.
You're good. Big step right behind you, boss.
All right. Oops.
A little awkward on this one.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There he goes. Nice.
Hop up, head over there for me. Very good.
Tony.
That one I felt like
You got that running start at the beginning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Drop down.
Oh. Oh. I gotta put this thing behind me. Oh. Ho, 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 ho. Don't look down. Oh.
Play for 3. Wrap around for me, bud.
All right. All right, let's do it, man. Yep. All right. See you on the other side.
Pretty tall line, bud. A little invasive, so be ready for it.
Oh, this is a surprise?
Surprise!
What do you guys think? Pretty cool? Yeah. Tag your photo. Tony, what'd you think, man?
Fantastic. What?
Uncle Matt, what'd you think?
Awesome.
Awesome. We're lit.